Thank you. IMTEX is very important for India, be it metal forming or metal cutting. Actually, a 2 years trend of metal working is set on these exhibitions. Machine Maker is covering IMTEX 2026. Also, we came out with a campaign called The Future of Forming. And the first podcast of the initiative we will be shooting today here at IMTEX Hall 5.
Good morning, Hari.
Very good morning to you. Hope you are having a great time at IMTEX 2026.
Yes, the show is wonderful. We are getting a very good response in the show and we are enjoying it.
So, welcome to the Future of Forming podcast, which Machine Maker is doing from IMTEX 2026. You are there here for the last 4 days.
Yes.
How do you think that India is getting ready for the next level of metal forming?
Yes, we see an industry shift in metal forming. Customers are looking for solutions rather than the machines. So our concept is evolved by integration. So here we are offering the complete solution from raw material to the finished part to the industry. This is the direction where the industry is evolving at the moment.
We have seen when it comes to earlier editions of metal forming IMTEX, a lot of suppliers were there. Price was a big concern. So many stalls with cheaper or different solution. But this time we are seeing a consolidation. As you rightly told, people are looking more than a product; it is a solution. What is the shift you are able to see in this IMTEX about the offerings which is given to the customers?
If I talk of the offering to the customers, it is giving the entire solution. At this moment, it is not possible for our customers to work on individual machines, to spend time on the labors, doing manual things. So from the end-to-end solution is required along with all the IoT solutions and the information transfer to the production. That is the way we are seeing the shift now.
I think here you launched Optimo Bharat.
Yes, we did.
Which was a which was very strengthening Make in India also.
Yes.
Right now you have got BCE Smart, the new machine.
Yes.
So what are the new innovations which you are planning to introduce to the Indian market?
One thing we have introduced in the around 6 months before, that is the Optimo Bharat machine that is made for the Indian conditions for the primarily the automotive segment in India. For the hot part cutting, we assemble the machine locally in India for our customers. It is giving better economics for the customers and also quick delivery to customers. First thing. Second thing is the other machines we are also importing from Europe, but they are customized to our in the individual customer requirements. BC Smart is the panel vendor. It is 100% servo electric machine, primarily used for different sheet metal industries, electrical control panels, elevators, and whatever you can think of bending the sheet metal. The machine is 2.2 meter bending length, and it is the manipulation is done by the machine itself. So it is only a guy has to load the blank and take out the final part without much human intervention.
How is the the visitors when they come and see such kind of machines, fully automation? What are their response?
Our customers who come and see these machines compared to the manual press brakes where they have to handle the parts manually, they find it very useful because they are not dependent on the operators when they are using the panel bender. In conventional press brakes, a lot of the job is required on the operator's skill. Here, only the programmer is doing the programming and operator is only loading and unloading the parts.
Now it is more than a decade you are working with the metal forming industry, leading Prima Power in India.
Yes.
So what are the transformation you were able to see in the shop floor when it comes to these metal forming products?
Basically, it is production process has changed. Conventionally, customers have been doing things manually, one by one, cutting the parts, cleaning the parts, and normal conventional punching methods where you have a lot of work to do after the punching process, remove the escalator from the machine. Here, more and more customers are shifting toward the shear genius machine, that is the combination of punching and shearing machines. So those customers who have the straight cuts on their parts like elevators, electrical cabinets, data center racks, so like those, they are going for the shear genius, or I'll say punching and shearing combination machine that reduces the waste, improves the time, and it's just in time production for the next process.
What kind of companies are actually ready for adopting technologies? Is it only larger companies, or you are able to see a shift in the medium and small scale industries also adopting automation in their shop floor?
Now, we have seen that in terms of automation, we have seen this transformation after COVID. Those customers who have been having initially the basic machine standalone, they are adding automation to those existing machines also. That's the way direction is going now.
What do you think that the Indian industry should look forward? Because there are a lot of opportunities coming to the way of India.
Yes.
But until unless we give right quality, consistent delivery, we will not be able to scale up.
Yes.
What are the, from your experience and exposure in India and abroad, what are the steps Indian manufacturers should take to improve their manufacturing?
First of all, they have to think of making the quality product. Reduce the waste, reduce the rejection, and that comes when you are buying the machines that give you the high productivity as well as quality. Yes. Accuracy, consistency.
We are now listening a lot about India. India is growing. What are these sectors? Like we have seen semiconductors, electronics, aerospace, defense. Which are the sectors which can help metal forming industry to grow?
What the trend we are seeing at the moment, the fastest growing industry as per the leads coming to us, the requests coming to our company on the products we have, data centers, electrical cabinets, aerospace parts production, elevators. These are the sectors that are growing at the moment at the fastest pace.
One more thing what we listen is basically not having the skilled manpower for scaling up.
Yes.
What can be the steps we should take to overcome that? One, I agree automation, but along with that, what are the other sectors we should look at?
I will say again on the automation, not only the automation from the machine perspective, but also the automation from the software side. So when the complete system is integrated with single software and everything is being programmed for the final product, then the dependence on the people is minimum.
Next 2 years, IMTEX 2028, what will be the major developments happening in the future of forming?
The kind of shift we are seeing, it will be non-stop production lines in the large companies.
And Prima Power is geared up to.
We have all these solutions already, and we keep upgrading our solutions in a routine way, and we see this is going to the future.
Thank you very much, and we wish you all the very best for Prima Power to achieve more and more, growth in the Indian market.
Thank you, Hari.